Time left, 8 minutes, 29 seconds. Ashanti at the center. Number 15, at the 3, no good, rebound by number 21, still by number 27, number 8, Hapek. Whoa, Millennium Ball. Number 17, Cruz. To number 13, Gary Banansag. Blocking foul on number 27, number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 13, rebounding the ball to number 15, Denira. To number 6, Mandi. And there's a whistle foul on number 19. Number 19, Toto. His first personal foul. Second team foul. First shot and skills by Mandi. Rebound by number 15, Alfred to number 8, Ashanti. Ashanti looking for his teammate. Crossing by number 17 to number 10, Taperla. Crossing by number 21, Taperla. To number 19 at the side. No good. Rebound by number 14, Balansa. Steal by number 19, Tawak to number 10, Taperla. Taperla gives up. No good. Rebound by number 6. To number 21, Kenneth. Number 21 to number 15. Papo. So it's 9-3 in favor of Taas. Number 27, Karanglan. Looking for his teammate to number 10. Crossing by number 17, Cruz to number 15, Austria. To number 8, at the 3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Bala Cruz. At the middle. To number 21. To number 6, no good. Blocked by number 19. Number 19 to number 8, Ashanti. Number 8, Papabisa for 2. Kala ko dadak na eh. Number 15, no good. Rebound by number 15. To number 10, is still by number 7, at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27, Karanglan. To number 10, Paperla. Playing as the point guard, number 10. Drive, shot, for 2. It's now winning 13-3 in favor of Taas. Number 17, Cruz. To number 21, back to Cruz. To number 13, at the side, no good. Rebound by number 6, Mandi. Using the glass for 2. Time left, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Past the first quarter. Number 8, Ashanti. At the 3, no good. Rebound by number 15, for 2. Austria. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan. Number 17 to number 13, Balansag. Still by number 15 to number 10, Taperla. Taperla, harassing by number 17. And there's a whistle foul on number